Hi there, thank you so much for inviting me to this exciting project. I have made some proof of concept, a prototype on your instructions. So let me show you something what I have done so far, and if you like that, we can move forward from there. So I am running an emulator right now, which you can see, and there is this installed app which is called API demos. So we are going to run this PlayWright MCP agent on this. Let me run this. So we are running this agent. So this is its dashboard. So first thing what we will do is here we will add an APK file to this agent, and then we will upload that. Then you will write your criteria here, right? So I have written some criterias. I have pre-written that. I will put into that, and we will go from there. So here are my some of my acceptance criteria. So let me put, for example, this one. I will copy this and paste it here, and also this is its acceptance criteria. So I'll put that here. Let me make them indented for the understanding of LLM, because we are using Claude API. So we have some instructions in our backend of agent, so it will tell the Claude LLM what to do. So these are some criteria, and we are going to generate that. And when we will generate that, it will start working. It has analyzed our acceptance criteria. Now it is thinking about identifying test scenarios. It will take some time depending upon your internet speed or how complex your request is, according to what you have fed in the agent. So let's wait for some time. Yeah, we have generated that. So test case scenario is one, which is one. Basically, these are some things that it has generated, right? So we need to now generate some automation script for testing. So we have load our test cases which LLM has had thought in our previous step. Now it is analyzing, then it will write some test cases. For now this system is running with the Python PyTest source, so it's no problem. If you want to do it with the Jest and some other testing libraries with TypeScript, we can do that as well. So here is the file it has generated. So you can find this file here in this directory, right? So we will move forward from there. We will close that, and we can run all the tests from here. And before that, I tested some things like these two tests I have generated before. So this is the third one, right? So we have generated so far. We can look into that, we can edit them, manually see them, what we are doing so far. We can add some more functionalities to that, add new test cases, and here are the scripts. Like this is the script we have run so far. So when you will run it from here, it will automate some tests. So let's run something from here. For example, we run this test suite. So if I open it here, so let's see, it has taken the file and it will start executing the tests. you can see on your right hand side in your emulator it is performing itself some tests with the PlayWright. So it will also give us some logs. We need to wait for them. Okay, first log is failed. It's okay. For these kind of test scenarios we will have healing script. So for example, if something is broken and something is not working correctly, agent will go in a loop to assign these things to some other tools to correct them. And if you see that, we can see that there is a second test which has passed, there is third test which has also passed. It will run like this. So we will run it in a loop. You will define your acceptance criteria. After acceptance criteria, it will think what tests it should return, then it will write some tests and you will uh, execute those tests. Then if there is something wrong, then ideally it should go into a loop to heal itself. So this is what I have done so far. Let me know what you think about that. Thanks so much.